Guys, just got my hands on the ANSAITE ATX gaming PC case from ANSAITE. Let's dive right in. Check this tempered glass side panel. It's like looking at a high-end sports car engine. Trust me, your components will love being shown off. And these 9 pre-installed PWM fans say goodbye to overheating during those epic gaming marathons. Airflow is no longer something you worry about. Oh, and the customizable ARGB lighting, perfect for setting the mood whether you're relaxing or gearing up for a raid. My setup has never looked cooler. Ready to upgrade your rig? Don't wait. Grab yours now and experience next level performance.